Howdy folks, Satish here from Dallas, Texas. Now today I'm going to reveal to you guys this IRA hack. Well, I knew it for a long time because I learned it from my friend Keith, but I was surprised that not a lot of people knew about this trick. It's not really a trick, guys. Okay, it's super simple. You'll be like, duh, why didn't I know about it, right? But it's super good. It's going to help you pretty much grow your IRA account even faster and make it even bigger. So why do people have an IRA Roth account or normal IRA account? It's because they want to save up for their retirement, right? So even if you have a 401k from your job, you might want that IRA account so you can put up like 5 to 6k. There's a limit, okay? You can put up to, I think, $6,000 per year, and that money is, post-tax. So when you take it out, you don't pay any tax on it. So once you actually are the age of retirement. So get that. Now, so here's the mistake most of you guys are making, right? So a lot of you guys got into trading during COVID, right? You're at home, what do I do? Guess what? Trade on Robinhood, okay? Nothing against Robinhood, but most of you guys are trading on Robinhood or Webull, right? Something easy. They're not bad, they're just easy to trade, right? So you guys are trying to do day trading, swing trading, but at the end of the year, you realize that you have to pay that hefty tax. Okay, yes, you have to pay tax. Yes, not Red Bull, Robinhood and Webull, all these companies, they report to the government. Okay, and especially when you're doing swing trades or day trades, they're considered you're going to get taxed even more because you didn't hold them for too long, right? So you have to pay tax on those profits. Now, here's the simple part. Okay, why don't you guys do day trading on your IRA Roth account? Okay, a lot of people like to play options, right? Because in options, you can make lots of money. Let's say you find a really good option contract and you put like $500 and then you made like 5-6K in a week, but you made that on your regular account. Guess what? You have to pay tax, right? Now, so here's what I want you guys to do, okay? So let's say you find a really good trade, okay? You know, of course we can't time the market, but you know it in your guts that it's gonna work out. So here's what you do, okay? You have your IRA Roth account, right? You can open it up on Vanguard or Fidelity. I have it with Charles Schwab, okay? They're a good company as well. So open that account up and you can put up to $6,000 max, okay? And then you go ahead and enable your option trading on that account, okay? A lot of people think that, well, other mistake is a lot of people are depositing money on their IRA Roth account and not investing. They think that putting money on an IRA Roth account is gonna just keep doubling over years. It doesn't work that way. You have to invest that money onto stock or options or whatever you want, okay? Bonds and things like that. Now, so open up that IRA Roth account, and then on that account, why don't you day trade or swing trade on that account? So that way, those profits, you don't pay tax, okay? That's number one. And number two is when you profit out, when you close your position, when you have that money left, you can reinvest that into like index, right? Index fund like VOO and things like that. So that way you can grow your account even faster. So to sum it up, if you don't have the obligation to take the money out, do your day trading and your swing trading, and if you know this option contract is going to make me a gazillionaire, why don't you do that on your IRA Roth account? Okay, that way you can make more money, pay no tax, and then guess what? It's a win-win situation for you. So a lot of you guys didn't know that, but now you do. Share this video with a friend, okay? Because a lot of your friends, they're trading on Robinhood and they're not taking out money. They keep trading and trading, right? But if they did the same thing on a Roth account, IRA Roth account, guess what? They wouldn't have to pay the tax because they're saving up for their retirement. Does that make sense? I hope you enjoyed this video. I create videos like this every couple times a week. So go ahead and subscribe right now if you want to master life, sales, marketing, copywriting. Pretty much, I help you become a better person every single week. So you learned this on my channel. Go and share this with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe, because every morning I wake up and the first thing I do is check how many subscribers I have how many subscribers I gained overnight, and it's the best feeling. It's better than coffee. Don't quote me on that. You're gonna see me drinking coffee a lot. So thank you guys. See you on the next video.